Hey guys, all right, this is our letters and sounds page 21. All right, this is our letter D, and this is our Dexter donkey friend. The letter D says D, D. All right, and remember our story about the dog who is digging in the dirt, and he got dirt all over Miss Hendry. So we're going to look at the pictures that start with the D, D sound. Dog, duck, dentist, doll, daisy, and dump truck. Now, to write the letter D, the capital D is a pull down, a big hump, a pull down with a ball for the lowercase. Good job, guys. All right, guys, so practice some D's on the back. A pull down, a big belly, pull down with a diaper. Good. All right, sweet friends. See you later.